The Pontiac Grand Prix is a classic American muscle car that has captivated drivers for decades. First introduced in 1962, the Grand Prix was designed to offer a combination of luxury and performance, quickly becoming a standout model in Pontiac's lineup. Over the years, the Grand Prix went through several transformations, reflecting the changing trends in automotive design, technology, and consumer preferences. In its early years, the Grand Prix was known for its bold styling and powerful engines, often seen as a symbol of the muscle car era. The 1960s and 1970s models were particularly admired for their performance on the road, with high-performance V8 engines that provided impressive acceleration and top speeds. These cars were often featured in racing events, adding to their reputation as a powerhouse on the road. The 1980s brought significant changes to the Grand Prix, with the model becoming more streamlined and focusing on fuel efficiency and comfort. Pontiac shifted its focus to appeal to a broader audience, incorporating more luxury features while still maintaining a sporty edge. The Grand Prix remained a popular choice for those who wanted both style and substance in their vehicle. By the 1990s and early 2000s, the Grand Prix had evolved into a more refined and family-friendly vehicle. The design became more modern, and the performance features continued to impress. Despite the changes, the Grand Prix always stayed true to its roots, offering drivers a thrilling driving experience paired with practicality. The Pontiac Grand Prix remained in production until 2008, when the brand was discontinued. Although no longer in production, the Grand Prix holds a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts and remains a symbol of Pontiac's commitment to blending performance and luxury in one iconic vehicle.